It's fun to share location with friends on Snapchat. What if we don't want our friends to see the real location? How to change your location on Snapchat. iMoveGo is the best location change tool for both iOS and Android. First, connect your phone to your PC with the data cable or Wi-Fi. As you can see, my current location is London. Use teleportation mode to search for the place you want to go. Click on Move. See, you're already where you're set. Try a longer distance, from France to South Africa. Success! If you want to move around the map, select the joystick mode. Start moving by using the joystick in the lower left corner. Or you can choose multi-point mode. Set speed. Preset your course of action on the map and move. iMoveGo is a professional location spoofer that helps you to go wherever you want to go.